We are watching two potential areas of development for tropical formation. To ensure you don't miss anything important, like, subscribe and enable notifications. Tropical Depression 12 has rapidly crossed Madagascar and is now over the Mozambique Channel. Expect continued heavy rains in Madagascar, especially in Antsiranana and Tomasina, through the weekend. Mahajanga will see deteriorating conditions with heavy rain, strong winds, and rough seas until Monday. Residents should follow National Weather Service advisories. TD12 is forecast to intensify, potentially reaching cyclone status, before making landfall in Mozambique's Nampula province by Monday morning. Nampula should prepare for significant deterioration starting Sunday, with heavy rain, destructive winds, and dangerous seas. Mayotte will experience heavy rain this weekend as TD12 passes south, with gradual improvement by Monday. Crucially, we must also consider the potential for TD12 to re-enter the Mozambique Channel after making landfall. After a tropical cyclone makes landfall in Mozambique, its strength typically weakens due to friction with the land. However, if the system retains enough of its circulation and encounters favorable conditions, it can re-emerge over the warm waters of the Mozambique Channel. The steering currents in the atmosphere play a significant role. If these currents push the system eastward after landfall, it can be driven back into the channel. The warm waters of the Mozambique Channel provide a source of energy that can allow the system to re-intensify. Re-intensification is a major concern, as once back over water, the cyclone can regain strength, potentially reaching or exceeding its previous intensity, which poses a renewed threat to coastal areas. Re-entry can also lead to an extended period of hazardous weather, prolonging heavy rainfall, strong winds, and rough seas, increasing the risk of flooding and damage. Furthermore, a re-entering cyclone can affect areas that were not initially in its direct path, as its track can shift, and even if the storm does not fully re-intensify, increased wave action in the channel will occur. It is essential for meteorological agencies to closely monitor the track and intensity of tropical cyclones, even after they make landfall. Residents in coastal areas should remain vigilant and continue to follow weather advisories, even after the initial landfall, and it is very important to pay close attention to local weather reports. In the context of TD12, the possibility of re-entry into the Mozambique Channel adds another layer of complexity to the forecast, highlighting the importance of staying informed and prepared for potential changes in the storm's track and intensity. In the eastern basin, disturbed weather zone 13 is organizing and may strengthen into a tropical storm. However, it is expected to weaken by Monday and poses no threat to land. Residents in affected areas are urged to monitor local weather forecasts and take necessary precautions. This concludes today's update. Please subscribe, with notifications enabled, to never miss an update, and share this with your friends and family to help them stay safe. Stay safe and see you soon.